In this video, I show you how to remove build epic plane game. First of all, tap on uninstall button here that you can uninstall from here. If you cannot see this uninstall button, then go to your phone settings, then tap on system settings, then tap on apps, then tap on build epic plane game. You can see that there is no uninstall option for uninstalling or remove. Scroll down, then tap on home app, then go back to your phone launcher, system launcher, click on it. Now go to settings again, then apps, then tap on build epic plane, then tap on uninstall, then okay. Now I hope that you remove successfully build epic plane game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.